So I had a company give me this Ionic Thermal Blowout Brush. Say that 3 times quick. Now, I'm very grateful that they sent this to me so I could test it out. Now, this is the brush itself. It does actually have a pretty long lead cord to it. They also provided 2 hair clips. Now, this brush does have the tourmaline ceramic on it. Now, as you can see, the brush has 2 different types of bristles. You do have this type of bristle here, and then the harder bristle, which is here, which actually helps grab the hair a little bit better. Now, being that this is a round brush, I have always had the worst luck with these, because as soon as I start twisting it, it always seemed to get tangled up in my hair. But I will say this one does not. So I don't know if it's because it has different types of bristles on it that keeps it from doing that. Now, it really does a great job of giving you like a whimsical type of curl. It really takes no time at all, and your hair is curly. So as you can see, it does give you that really nice flowy kind of look. This took me 2 seconds to do, and it looks good. This side is very flat. So this is the before, this is after. It really does flow quite nicely. Now, this brush has 5 different temperature settings. I did have it on the 390 to do this. And that's really for like thicker hair, and my hair is very thick, so that's why I went with the 390. But if you have thinner hair, you can always put it down to a lower temperature. So all in all, if you're looking for a blowout brush, I have 2 reasons why this is a good one. One is the fact that it didn't get tangled up in my hair. And 2, it took me no time at all to make this look on my hair. This is the only round brush that I haven't gotten stuck in my hair.